Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. The word for the day is conviction. Meaning 1. A firmly held belief. 2. The state of being convinced. 3. An unshakable belief in something without need for proof. 4. Strong belief. 5. The feeling of being confident or very certain about something. 6. The decision of a judge in a court of law that someone is guilty of a criminal offense. 7. Persuasion. 8. The feeling of being sure that what you believe or say is correct. Usage. 1. He plans to appeal against his conviction, law. 2. His political conviction caused rioting in the streets. 3. If the child believes in what he is saying, he will carry conviction. 4. 12 months after his conviction, an appeals judge acquitted him of all charges. 5. We should have some amount of conviction when we want to prove our point before people. 6. We all have strong conviction that this corona pandemic will vanish away, and everything will be fine one day. I am going to upload more such videos having special words. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye. Take care.